This video will show you how to create an instant slideshow using PowerPoint. So first, go ahead and launch PowerPoint. And you'll need to pick a background. And I always pick a dark colored background in case the pictures don't fit all the way on the slide. But you can choose whatever you want. So once you have this figured out, go ahead and click on Insert, and you're going to see Photo Album. Go to New Photo Album, go File to Disk, and upload the pictures that you like. You can hold down each one using the Control key, or you can select the first one, hold the Shift key, and the last one to select them all in between, and click Insert. You could also do a Control A to select all of them in that folder. At this point, you can click on one and move it up or move it down. You can also remove any that got in the show that you don't want. You'll notice that you can flip, you can adjust your contrast and your brightness, and you can say fit to slide, so you'll have one picture per slide. You can also say put 2 pictures on a slide, 4 pictures, 1 picture with a title, 2 pictures with a title, or 4 pictures with the title. I'm just going to say fit to slide, and I click create, and I will have a photo album. I can change the title on it here, and I can change the by or just get rid of that altogether. And I'll notice over here that every one of my pictures has been placed on a slide. Now, if I don't want this 16:9 ratio, I can go up here into my design and slide size. I can say standard width. I can ensure the fit, or if I don't want to do that, I can say standard, maximize, and now every one of my pictures takes up the whole entire slide. Okay, so the only ones that wouldn't would be anything that's vertical, and on the vertical ones I would have that background. And of course I can change this background. I can right click, go to Format Background, and choose a black background over here, solid fill, and choose the color. I can also come up here and pick underneath the Design tab a dark background if that looks better to me than the white. It's up to me. Then I can also set my transitions. I can set that fade transition if I want, or whichever one, and then I can click Apply to All so that the transition that I choose applies to all my slides. I can also set the duration of the transition so it fades in, fades out a little bit more softly. And I can also rehearse my timings if I like, and add audio to my pictures. Of course, I can also insert a shape, other pictures. I could insert a text box if I wanted to insert something here. But I could have also inserted titles on every one of these, and I would have had an automatic text block on every one of my pictures. When I'm finished, I can save this as a PowerPoint, but I can also go to Save As, and instead of saving it as a PowerPoint, I can save this as an MPEG video. I can also save it as a Windows Media video, but keep in mind that this one will not play on a Macintosh or other type of computer, tablet, that type of thing. So I probably want to save it as an MPEG video. I would also save it as the PowerPoint presentation in case I needed to edit it later. Once I was done saving it as the PPTX, then I would pull down to the Save As and save it as a video. Hope that gets you started using slideshows in PowerPoint.